From historic cities and ancient architecture to stunning nature, blue waters, and jaw-dropping beaches, Croatia really has something for everyone. Here are some of the best things to do on a trip to Croatia. If you're a Game of Thrones fan, Dubrovnik is an absolute must-see. But even if you aren't, you can still appreciate the stunning old town of Dubrovnik. There are tons of Game of Thrones tours you can do, but I think it's even cooler stumbling upon spots where scenes were shot all on your own. You'll likely enter the old town through the famous Pile Gate built in 1537, and one of the city's most impressive structures. While you're there, you must walk the old town walls that'll provide stunning views of both the city and the Adriatic that you won't soon forget. Split, Croatia's second biggest city, was established within the ancient Roman walls of the huge Diocletian's palace. While you're at it, get lost in the city's small pathways exploring various shops and restaurants. Emerald blue lakes, stunning waterfalls, boat rides, and hikes. Plitvice is one of Croatia's most popular destinations for good reason. There are tons of tours that will take you to this lush, pristine site, but if you go on your own, be sure to book tickets in advance. Don't forget to take a day trip to Krka National Park. About an hour and a half away from Split, this is a perfect spot for a day trip. Take a dip in a beautiful lake, walk amongst the waterfalls, and enjoy the beautiful greenery. Getting on the water is potentially one of the most important things you can do in Croatia, in whatever way you can. Renting a boat or hopping on a group boat is quite affordable, and you can always visit various islands by ferry. Hvar is one of the most popular islands, but you really can't go wrong. In fact, some of the smaller, lesser-known islands are just as charming and less touristy. While you're in Croatia, you're not limited to stunning beaches. Take your pick on pretty much any city on the coast that you're in. You're gonna find beautiful beaches. Just be sure to bring some swimming shoes or at least waterproof sandals, as most of the beaches are pebble beaches rather than the sandy ones we're used to. Now this just scratches the surface for all there is to do and see in Croatia. There's so much more to explore in this stunning country.